Hi there, my name is Scott Littlejohn and I am a insurance broker working in the health insurance world, and I'm here to tell you today about exactly how Obamacare or the federal marketplace actually works. So I'm going to use this little graph over here to kind of show you more or less that we're all in the same place on this. This is for Oregon. This is what we look at as far as the federal poverty chart goes. This is FLP, or federal level poverty. On this side, you can see that you've got our Oregon health plan, or state-funded insurance. If you're on that side of the board over there, if you don't find yourself or your family of 1, 2, 3, or 4 over there, you're going to be qualifying for Medicaid coverage, which is fully subsidized coverage through the state. You find yourself moving up the graph until you finally fall off. This is 400% of the poverty level. You find yourself over here, you're going to be paying full price for your plan. So really the story is, the closer you are on this end, you're going to qualify for a federal credit, which is called the APTC, or Advanced Premium Tax Credit. And what that is exactly how it sounds. It's a premium in advance that's a tax credit for the 2021 tax year that you are going to get to help pay for your premiums in advance. And so the less you make on this chart, the more you're going to qualify for as far as your premium help goes. So the federal government's going to kick down money to help pay for your premium. The real thing about this is that if you're anywhere on this chart, we're all in this together, to be completely honest. So folks who are over here, you're either getting enough help on the federal credit side and the entitlement side as far as maybe benefits and food stamps or other types of benefits you qualify for. It's going to bring you up to a level to where you feel like you're kind of in this part of the board. Folks over here, you're getting a little bit of help, but you're not getting nearly as much. So you're actually, from what you're not getting in benefit, it brings your life really down to more or less right in here. I tell this to most of my clients, like, if you're on here, we're really in this together. Our lives don't feel a lot different. If you've got a family of 5 and you're making this, you still have to support a family of 5. Where if you're single and you're making this, it might feel a lot like you're here. But really the kicker is, if this is 400% of the federal poverty level, if you took this board and you flipped it completely over onto the stars over here, you would find if you go out to 800%, the people here paying full price, they really don't feel a lot different than the people who are here. It's going to take, because when you're paying full price for everything on this side with these plans, and you're paying the taxes on the income that you're making over here, it actually brings you down to where you're kind of on the edge of this board is what it feels like your life is really like. You've got to be clear over here at 800% of federal poverty level to feel any different than anybody who's either here or even on the flipped board. So really, my point is that we are all kind of in this together. It may look like we're a lot different, but we're not. Our lives feel relatively the same. You've got to get past essentially 800% of the federal poverty level to feel the difference of your plan and your income finally shrinking the percentage of your income that goes into buying your plan. We're all kicking in 8 to 12% of our total income for our insurance plans. If you're anywhere in this realm, it's when you finally get way over here and you have the financial trajectory to jump past 800% that it actually feels like you're living a different life than anybody else here. So as far as the program works, that's how we all feel, and that's what defines the entire thing. So don't think you're that much different than the next person next to you. Most of us are all down here. I know I'm down here too. So it's not like I'm trying to tell you something that you don't know, but even looking at these numbers, the system itself is designed around this, and we all feel the same, and it takes about the same amount of our income to actually make it happen. So if you need help making it happen, there's some things you can do on here to really help yourself out as far as your premiums and your deductibles and all those kind of things go. But at the end of the day, we're in the same boat, like it or not. So if you need help, you've got till the 15th of this month of December coming up to get this done. It happens every year from November 1st to December 15th. I'd love to be your agent, and that's how I feed my family. There's been a link on here, the whole bottom. If you want me to be your broker of record, please click that link. You're welcome to sign yourself up, or just contact me directly, and I'll try and get you squared away and make sure you're in the best position with a plan going into the next year on how this thing works. So thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it, and I wish you the best of luck in 2021.